I love you. You love your papa. You love your papa. You want to feel my facial hair? You like my beard? You like it? Yeah? You like rubbing your hands through it? Yeah. I know it sure is cute when you do it. And it melts my heart. Yeah, I know. You just melt my heart in general, though. It's a good thing. It's a good thing. Hey. It's a good thing you melt in my heart. Yeah, it's not bad. I like it. What was that? It almost sounded like you were saying, Mama.